said, I got a girl, but you look good tonight. Ah. Hey Kyler, I see you, baby. I see Keelan too. I see me too. That's me above everybody. It's like right there. That's me. That's my niece Kyler. That's my nephew Keelan. But look, we in here. We in this bitch. I am ancestor. Listen to this shit. Let's go somewhere and get it. Look, at one point he was like, let's go somewhere and get it on tonight. You shouldn't have to be alone tonight. Look, at one point he was like, why my girl be more like you? It's like, the fuck? The fuck, bro? This shit so real, though. I was like, oh, shit, I ain't know this song was talking about that. I don't know what movie I seen that song on, and then I hear a female voice rapping on it. And then been down, but you feel me to that? Like, it was like, I know somebody was goddamn on that bitch. I don't know, well, it probably was like, I know it was a movie, though. That's what I'm saying. It probably had to just be a movie, and she was on a remix or some shit. But I know I hear it, bruh. It was like The Brat or some shit. You know who's a good-ass artist? Cisco. That nigga raw as fuck, bruh. That nigga was raw as hell. You know who else raw? Orlando Brown. I was watching some of his stuff yesterday, and his little documentary. Also, shouts out to that nigga's Lil Soldier Slim. That was a good ass documentary. Y'all gotta see that documentary. And by the way, the guy that's Soldier Slim uncle, which is his son's great uncle. When y'all see him, y'all gonna see Soldier Slim. Like, and even how he act. Like, if you ever watched the Soldier Slim documentary, right? And you watch that one, it's gonna connect. Especially if you spiritual, you gonna be like, that's him right there. Like, that's you know. And I feel like even the fact that they made that DVD, Soldier Slim came through talking through that man. Like, that is funny too, cause it's funny too, cause one part he was on that bitch talking shit to people like, you this, you that, you know how we rank on people and shit. I think down there in New Orleans they call it booking because of Messy Maya. Everybody remember Messy Maya. Shouts out to your spirit. And but damn, that's what I'm finna go look up. Messy Maya was that bitch. Like, I'm sorry. Damn. Messy Maya was that bitch, dog. Yeah, I gotta go check that out. Trying to figure out where I wanted to go with what I was thinking. See, I know I was talking about Soulja Slim's son in the documentary. But the documentary good. That's my point. Like, you know what I'm saying? I had thought about something that Chico said on 85 South Show and how it resonated with what I'm talking about. But I forgot what the fuck it was. So, but yeah. That little nigga hard too. I'm gonna start listening to his music. I'm done. I'm over it. What now? Bro, I'm a real nigga, bro. Dog, I've been purging since 6 o'clock this morning. It's 2 o'clock now. I probably got finished purging around 1 o'clock. By the way, you can check out some of the knowledge about purging on my YouTube. That's what my YouTube is for. My YouTube is to literally explain the spiritual things that I go through so I can document it. It's like instead of writing stuff down, I decided to explain the stuff that I got going on, you know. Damn, I just thought about some shit. I might need to open another channel, like just a backup channel, but, you know, like, it's not a big deal. I know nothing's gonna happen to my channel, but just to, you know, but I'm just talking about it. I might have to do that later. Like, I'm not rushing to do that shit. But, so what I've been up to, the past couple days I've been purging. And shouts out to all the empaths, spiritual workers, anybody that's depressed right now, anybody that's sad, anybody that feels lonely, anybody that's actually crying today, anybody that's actually purging today and going through something. I shout out to y'all. And I want you to know that, bruh, I cry too. You know what I'm saying? I'm the coolest bitch I know. And I don't even want to cry. But sometimes as a healer, that's the only way to stay on your post. And purging explains that in totality. I'm gonna probably do a broadcast later to talk about purging more and just to talk on the energy. Like, I'm not, like, I don't have a license for doing shit that I do. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna talk on the energy. You know what I'm saying? I'm not teaching y'all stuff. I'm kind of like guiding y'all. Like, I'm OG. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, because you know what I just found out? I be watching Witch Patrol. And what I found out is that you can get, if you don't have a license, you can get in trouble for putting stuff on your thing like healer. You know what I'm saying? You can get in trouble for doing that. Like, not trouble, but you can get in trouble for doing that. In trouble with the law or whatever. But, oh, it's taking everything in my spirit not to go get another bill. Only because I got down. I'm going to turn y'all to the side right quick. So, don't blame me. And don't trip about that. Like, we don't trip about the small stuff, do we? No, we don't. I'm getting my cigarette out. These are cigarettes. These are my mom's cigarettes. That's her lighter. This is what she sit and smoke cigarettes. So, I usually take out my filter because I'm a cigarette and cigar roller, so I don't need a filter. But since, I would just break the shit off, but I done got in the habit of doing it like this. Because you get the rest of your cigarette. Dang, I ain't seen you in a minute. But yep, I ain't doing shit. I can't wait till my buzz go up. I ain't gonna lie. Cause people gonna come on and stay. But that's why I turn, into the vibration where it's like, I'm doing this for my soul tribe. Like, it's no more trying to get super famous. I have to realize all my fans gonna be cult followers. You know what I'm saying? So I have to literally take that seriously and stand in who I am and stand in the fact that you know, I thought about all this stuff earlier when I was saying like I'm a cult leader. I am. I'm a cult leader. I know that, and that's not. Um, how should I put it? It's not. Mm, I got videos on my YouTube describing what I'm trying to get at. Man, I got so many videos that one day people are gonna uh one day, man, I promise y'all, one day people are gonna goddamn like worship me. You know what I'm saying? And I blanked that for a second because it's like it's kind of a timid feeling, intimidating feeling. But one day people gonna worship me. So I have to make sure that I'm in the right standing. Like I just have to always cycle back to my understanding that my calling is different than everybody else. Like the fact that I've been making music, y'all, since 222. Shouts out. But I've been making music since I maybe was had to be like 19. No, before then. I would make music before I had money. Yeah. So point is, I've been doing this shit for a long time, and it's a lot of content out there in the world that has critical name on it. Coat O'Con, Shyam that I am who we are. You know, so I just gotta, like right now, I'm feeling the vibe that I need to go handle this. You know what I'm saying? Like I need to go do some spiritual work when it comes to my career, cause you know it's just something that's calling to me real strong. So that's why the tone of this broadcast done changed. Thanks to the Aquarius moon, Aquarius full moon, and my moon sign is in Aquarius. Anytime I'm emotional as fuck, and the Aquarius moon, full moon comes, bro, my Persian is different than anybody. Shouts out to all the Aquarius moons. Okay? Shouts out to all the Aquarius moons, because y'all got it like none other. Capricorns, Pisces, and all the air signs. And Aquarius. What's the opposite of Aquarius? Is it Taurus? That would make sense. Nah, that wouldn't make sense. Okay. If it would be Cancer. Damn, I'm confused. Okay, what's 6? Okay, if mine is Gemini, then you got no. My sign is Gemini. My polar opposite. Oh, it's Leo. Goddamn Leo sun in Aquarius. It gotta be Leo. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna do the math. Aquarius and Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer. Oh, it's that way. Let me see. Gemini, Cancer. No, I can't count that, stupid. You can't count Aquarius. You gotta count Pisces. I'm tripping. Okay. Yeah, it is Leo. That is their polar opposite. That's why I'm going fucking crazy. Like, it's like either I'm on top of the world or it's so intense right now. Either I'm on top of the world or I'm fucking up everything. Like, I'm telling you, boy, I'm fucking up everything coming my way. Like, that's just a metaphor. But, so I get it now. And if you watch my video from earlier, you'll see that. You'll see where I said something about Leo and Aquarius. And that video starts off with me crying and explaining some shit. But it gets better. You know what I'm saying? It's all about purging. It's all about purging. So, talk to y'all later. Stay abundant, be like, stay lit. Literally, I am Ko Okan. I am that I am who we are. Breakfast Club. Slavery role play. Slavery role play denied. I seen it, but I missed it. Anyway, I'm finna get up out here. Y'all stay up and be like, stay lit. Literally.